14 video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this video tutorial we will discuss about vendors under accounting module. In last video tutorial we discussed about customers, invoices, credit note payments and follow-up reports and products. Here same thing also in under our vendor bills. We already create these bills under our purchase module. So here now I'm going to create a bill against a vendor. I have to choose here a vendor. I will choose the test vendor which we created before. Bill reference, if you have any bill reference, payment reference, and here's a receipt bank. And if you have any purchase order bill, you can attach here all the information pull here. So bill date, and here is accounting date, mean the date when this transaction will be happened, and is a due date and terms. After that we have a journal, means what is this, a bill or expense. So you can choose even expense against this customer from here. Next I have to choose or add a line here. It's not compulsory to add a product, so you can type here a label or a description. I'm typing here, this is testing bill, and here you can choose a asset. If you want to make a fixed asset purchase bill, you can choose here asset, but first we have to create a fixed asset. We will discuss later about fixed asset and this functionality. Here I'm going to enter amount, say I'm going to make it 20,000. Let's save and confirm this bill, and we have here credit note. This credit note against to refund this bill invoice or this bill, you can set. If I make this credit note from here, you can see the option is refund. Here is the option credit note and here refund, but the purpose is same. If I choose this credit note and just I have to type a reason, automatically all this information will pull, and I don't need to again type all this information, or I don't need to fill the forms. So if I go to vendor refund here, if I create a refund, so I have to add here the serial, you can set, or credit note, and I have to choose a vendor, bill reference, payment reference, bank, and bill date, accounting date. Here is a due date and our payment terms, and journal, what is this, vendor bill or expense. Here I have to enter the amount. I'm typing here description. This is testing refund, and amount, say I'm typing here 1000. Confirm, save and confirm. Successfully make our refund voucher. Here you can set it's outstanding debit against this customer's bill which we created before. So next we have here option for payment. Now I'm going to make a payment voucher from here. Now this time the default send money is chosen. Payment type, here the partner is vendor. I'm choosing from here test vendor, and amount I'm entering here, say 30,000, and journal is a bank, payment method is a manual, and receipt bank I'm keeping it empty. Save and confirm this payment voucher. If I go to my payments, here you can see so posted. And now again I'm going back to my bill. Here you can see it's minus 21,000 posted, because if I open and you have outstanding debit. If I go down, this is outstanding. One is this. Let's make it add and see what happened here. So partial. I'm going to add this one also. If I click here to this icon, it will show us the payment info. If I click and view, it will redirect us here under our bills, which we make it a refund from here previously. Next, we have an employees expense. We can make expense from here against our employees, and this expense we have create, let's say expense for taxi fare, for food, for traveling. We have to make here expenses. Let's say I'm typing here food expense. Employee, I choose this employee. Sure. And paid by, line code. I'm choosing this expense. This one. Select. Now make it save, and it's in our draft. Submit to manager. It's submitted. Now next, the manager will be approved and then post and then paid, get paid. Now I'm here as a super admin or as admin, that's why this option is appearing in front of me. You can make here refuse or reset to draft or approve. Because I'm here admin, and I can make it approved. And next is it's ready for post. So post journal entry. Now it's posted, and we have to make a register payment. Register payment. Here we have to select the options. So journal, so bank or cash, and then manual PDC or check. Receipt, bank account, and amount. If you want to change, you can change from here. Here's the memo. Just create a payment, and that's it, done. This expense is paid, and we see all the step from beginning to end. The status is approved, and this is the amount, expense amount. Next is products. We already discussed this product even in our sales and purchase module. Here in accounting under vendor, same product and same information, same as a vendor, which we discussed in our purchase module. So that's for this video tutorial. In next video tutorial we will discuss about accounting.